Today, we will be going over how to use Yelp Guest Manager, a critical tool for restaurants to get more leads and more customers in the door. When someone calls to book a reservation, click on the RSV button on the left-hand side, then click Add Party on the top right. Enter the party details. Make sure to include the phone number, which will be used to notify the customer that their table is ready. To update the table status, click on the reservation name, tap the Notify button, and then select your option. For example, table is ready. When you see the blue check mark, that means that the guest has confirmed the reservation. When the party arrives, click the name to assign and seat them. If you are on the basic plan, you can type in any table number and it will be okay. This is strictly used to show that you have seated the party. If somebody calls in to place a to-go order, click the to-go button on the left-hand side. Then click Add Party on the top right. Enter the customer's name and phone number, which will be used to notify the party when their order is ready. Enter the order notes, such as the order number or sauce additions, estimated wait time, and mark if they have already paid. Click Add at the top right-hand corner. To notify the customer that their order is ready, tap on the customer's name, click the Notify button on the top right-hand corner, and the customer will receive a text message that their order is ready. When the customer actually picks up the order, click on the customer's name and tap the Picked Up button, and it will record that. You can check your order and reservation history by clicking the History tab on the left-hand side. To add a party to the waitlist, click the Waitlist button on the left tab. Then Add Party on the top right. Enter the party details, including the quoted wait time. You can see the total number of waitlist parties on the right-hand side. Check the Call Ahead button if this party called in for the waitlist reservation, instead of someone who books the waitlist at the restaurant. Click the Add button at the top right to finalize. You can keep track of the time that each party has waited on the wait list by viewing it right above the guest's name. Tap the party's name to notify them if the table is almost ready and when the table is ready. When the party arrives, click on the party's name and seat and assign them. To update the party's status, you can also click the Joined drop-down button and select one of the options, such as Partially Arrived if only some members of the reservation party have arrived. To communicate with your guests, select the message bubble icon on the left tab. Here, you will get responses from customers based off of their table readiness notifications, and you can even contact customers, for example, if they left an item at your store. To access your settings, click on the settings icon on the left tab. Here, you can also find a customer support phone number as well as your Yelp business ID number. If you are interested in adding the Yelp Guest Manager tool to your business, or if you are currently using Yelp Guest Manager and not getting the results that you desire, please feel free to contact us and we will be happy to help you. At OOWE Marketing, we strive to help small businesses like yours achieve success through online marketing. Either get online or get left behind.